How to invite someone to League on Fantasy Premier League. Well, the very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application Premier League, enter your login credential, and make sure that you are logged in to a specific account. Once you have been logged in, it will land you on this homepage. Scroll down and you'll get to see all of the leagues that you are in, or the leagues that you have created. Let's say I want to invite someone to the league that I have created. Head over to the league. So this is one of the league that I have created. You can see there is no any option where you can invite. So in order to do so, head over to your Safari and then open the site of Fantasy Premier League. Make sure that you are logged into a specific account. Once you have been logged in, tap on More right beside Pick Team and head over to Leagues and Cups. In here, you can see the league that I have created. Simply click on this gear icon. The option of Invite Friends will be visible to you. Click on it. In order to invite, two different methods will be available to you. One is Copy Auto Join link and the other is Share League code by email. Let me select the very first way, Copy Auto Join link. Once the link has been copied, you have to send this link to any of the person that you would like to invite. You can send the link via any of the social media platform. And once they click on the link, they will be able to join your league successfully, and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can invite someone on league in Fantasy Premier League. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.